In today's video, I'll show you an easy way to cook a bird. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today, I'm going to do a different kind of project. I'm going to show you how to cook a turkey in the Char-Broil Big Easy infrared turkey cooker. I've used this a few times already. Actually about 3 or 4 turkeys. I've also done tri-tip, ribs, a few times with ribs. What else? I think there's, and I've done chicken, a full chicken in it. So let me go ahead and show you how I get it all set up and ready, and then I'll show you what I do for my turkey, what kind of seasoning. It's real easy, it's basic, and we'll get it going. Let's do this. Alright, as you see, I have my own tank. I have my own separate tank that I always keep for this. You know, it just saves time in case, because my barbecue, always use my barbecue all the time. I want to make sure I have a full tank, pretty much, because a turkey usually takes about 2 hours. I think it was 10 to 13 pounds, and we have a 13 pounder, and it was 2 hours that said to cook it. And you're going to cook it up to 165. Take the lid off, and I have in here, I have my basket for it, and all my accessories, instructions, stuff like that. I was trying to keep it with it. Let's do that. Let's put this here for now. And one thing you must do is every time before you use this, you must season the tub that it comes into. When they say season, what you do is just spread a thin layer of like a vegetable oil or something like that on it to season the sides. If you look in the inside there, you can see that, you know, really dark. That's from all the seasoning, from all the oil and stuff like that on there. Let me go ahead. See if I can do this without making too much of a mess. I doubt it. It wouldn't be one of my videos if I didn't make it spill oil, some type of oil somewhere. Alright, let's keep that. Let's take this back out real quick. And I will just wipe down the sides. Just a nice thin layer. Let me get some more. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. The lid to keep anything else out of it. Alright, this is just about ready. All I gotta do now is get my turkey, I'll season it, put it in the rack, and we'll be ready to go. Alright, I've already washed my bird. I took all the bags out of the neck bone and the giblets and everything, and I washed it, dried it. Now I'm going to get ready just to go ahead and put some butter on it on the outside, and also salt. That's my seasoning. You could put pepper on there too, but my family don't really like pepper. I do, but you know, there's more of them than me. So let's get going. And this turkey is a 13 pounder. With the infrared cooker, you can go up to 16 pounds. And believe me, that's about all that could fit in there. I've done that before as a 16 pounder and it barely fit. Yeah. Make sure it's nice. Use some salt. I just use the regular table salt. Just a little bit. You can use any kind of rub you want. I just use this because it's simple and it always pretty much tastes pretty good. To say that's good. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to move this like this. Okay, I got my metal rack here. You put the drumsticks facing down, the breast facing up. And this. Let's move it, see if I can get it a little bit straighter, maybe. Let's get that in there, into there. Okay, last thing I need to do is put my thermometer in there. You want to put it in the thickest part of the breast. You don't want to hit bone. I'm gonna put it just, I think just like that. All right, now I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna go start the infrared cooker. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and light this up. I'm gonna let it run for a while before I put the turkey in. Take off the lid. One time you ever need the lid is when it's super windy. It's windy now, but it's supposed to be like windy and cold, but it's not cold. It's a pretty nice day actually. It's a little windy, but that's all right. I'm gonna go ahead. Turn this on. And there it is, it's lit. You look down, you can see, you know, it run all the way around. It has a element down there that it goes all the way around. Run it for a little bit. I may put the lid on it to get it nice and warm and ready, but that's about it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. It's been running for a few minutes. Get it nice and warm. Oh yeah. There we go. Should be done in about 2 hours, so what that means to me is, you know, usually this is Thanksgiving Day. You won't get this video until a few days after. I just want to show how I cook it and everything like that. But you know, you either have relatives over or friends. Well, with COVID, we're not going to do that. So it's just me out here. So I'm going to do what most men do. I'm going to probably hide from my family for a little while. Maybe have an adult beverage. And just sit here. Probably just talk to myself. All right. Alright, I want to show here, I did put the lid on, only because it's super windy out here. It's not cold, but it's just windy. And usually you just put this on when it's really cold and it's windy, but the windy's, you know, it's pretty windy. But let's go ahead, I'll lift this off. And you can see it's been in there for an hour. It looks pretty good right now. It's up to 140. And we're supposed to get up to 165. So it's been in there a little over an hour. I got an hour left and it should be ready to go. I just wanted to show you guys that. Alright, I want to show. Let me see if I can get it nice. It's right there at 170. It says take it at 165, but usually it just needs a little bit longer usually. So, let me go ahead, put on my glove. Ooh, look at that. That looks so nice. Doesn't that look nice? Alright, I'm gonna take it inside so it rests for a little while. Alright, I'm gonna end the video right there. I meant to show where I cut the turkey. I'll show you how moist and how the skin and everything turned out. But it was Thanksgiving, so we just ate instead, and this is the next day. But it was a super moist turkey. It was perfectly done. The infrared cookers is great. It works on everything. I mean, it works on tri-tip, ribs. I've done a few of those, and chickens, and it's really good. It's a good cooker. So, with that being said, check out a new video next week. Also, follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Dad Life Projects. Since you're here, why don't you go ahead and check out a video right here, and smash that subscribe button down below. And remember, any project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.